Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and creative ideas to transform your home into a sanctuary of style and comfort. Whether you're looking to refresh a room or completely overhaul your space, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into a world of inspiration with a curated collection of home decor ideas that will elevate every corner of your living space. Let's start with the heart of the home, the living room. Create a cozy atmosphere with plush throws and accent pillows, adding warmth and texture to your seating area. Layering different textures like faux fur, knits, and velvet can instantly add depth and dimension to your space. Moving on to the dining area. Consider incorporating statement pieces like a sleek dining table paired with upholstered chairs for a touch of elegance. Accessorize with minimalist centerpieces and ambient lighting to set the mood for intimate gatherings or family meals. Now, let's retreat to the bedroom, a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Opt for soft, neutral tones to create a calming ambience conducive to restful sleep. Invest in quality bedding and luxurious throws to add a sense of luxury and comfort to your personal oasis. Finally, for those who work from home, a functional and stylish home office is essential. Maximize space with modular furniture and clever storage solutions. Incorporate ergonomic seating and ample natural light to enhance productivity and creativity. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, our homes serve as more than mere shelters. They are sanctuaries where we seek solace, find respite, and express our individuality. The concept of home decor goes beyond aesthetics. It encompasses the art of crafting spaces that not only reflect our personalities but also nurture our well-being. In this essay, we explore the profound impact of home decor on our mental and emotional states, highlighting its role in fostering comfort, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. At its core, home decor is about creating environments that evoke positive emotions and support our daily activities. From the moment we step through the door, the ambience of our living spaces influences our mood and mindset. A thoughtfully designed living room, with its cozy furnishings and ambient lighting, can instantly uplift our spirits after a long day. Similarly, a well-appointed bedroom, adorned with soft bedding and soothing colors, sets the stage for restful sleep and rejuvenation. Moreover, home decor has the power to inspire and ignite our creativity. Each element, from wall art and decorative accents to furniture and lighting, contributes to the overall aesthetic and atmosphere of a room. By curating spaces that resonate with our passions and interests, we create environments that fuel our imagination and stimulate our senses. Whether it's a minimalist workspace that promotes focus and productivity or a vibrant art studio that sparks artistic expression, our surroundings play a pivotal role in shaping our creative endeavors. Furthermore, home decor plays a crucial role in fostering a sense of belonging and identity. Our homes serve as extensions of ourselves, reflecting our tastes, values, and personal narratives. Through the careful selection of furnishings, colors, and accessories, we imbue our living spaces with meaning and significance. Family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, and cherished artworks not only add character to our homes, but also remind us of our connections to loved ones and the experiences that have shaped us. In addition to its psychological benefits, home decor also holds practical implications for our daily lives. Well-designed spaces are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and efficient. Clever storage solutions, ergonomic furniture, and strategic layout designs enhance our comfort and convenience, allowing us to navigate our homes with ease and grace. let's delve into some additional aspects related to home decor. Cultural influences. Home decor is deeply influenced by cultural traditions, aesthetics, and values. Different cultures have distinct preferences when it comes to colors, patterns, and motifs. For example, Scandinavian design is characterized by minimalism, natural materials, and functionality, while Moroccan decor features vibrant colors, intricate tilework, and ornate furnishings. Exploring various cultural influences can enrich our understanding of design principles and broaden our aesthetic horizons. Sustainable design. With growing awareness of environmental issues, sustainable home decor has gained traction in recent years. Eco-friendly materials, such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled glass, are increasingly being incorporated into interior design schemes. Additionally, practices such as upcycling, energy-efficient lighting, and water-saving fixtures contribute to creating environmentally responsible homes that minimize ecological impact. Technology integration. The integration of technology into home decor has revolutionized the way we interact with our living spaces. Smart home devices, such as voice-activated assistants, smart thermostats, and automated lighting systems, offer convenience, efficiency, and connectivity. Designing with technology in mind involves seamlessly integrating these devices into the home environment while maintaining aesthetic harmony and functionality. Biophilic design. Biophilic design, inspired by the innate human connection to nature, seeks to incorporate natural elements into indoor spaces. Features such as indoor plants, natural light, water features, and organic materials evoke the calming and rejuvenating qualities of the outdoors. Biophilic design has been shown to enhance well-being, productivity, and creativity, making it a popular approach in contemporary interior design. Psychological impact of color. Color psychology plays a significant role in home decor, as different colors can evoke distinct emotions and perceptions. For example, warm tones like red and orange are associated with energy and vitality, while cool tones like blue and green promote relaxation and tranquility. Understanding the psychological effects of color allows homeowners to create atmospheres that support their desired mood and ambience. Multifunctional spaces. As urban living spaces become increasingly compact, the concept of multifunctional design has become essential. Furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as sofa beds, convertible tables, and wall-mounted storage units, maximize space efficiency without compromising style or comfort. Designing for versatility enables homeowners to adapt their living spaces to accommodate changing needs and lifestyles. Personalization and DIY projects. DIY, do-it-yourself, projects and personalization allow homeowners to put their creative stamp on their living spaces. From handmade crafts and custom artwork to furniture restoration and upcycling projects, DIY endeavors add a unique and personalized touch to home decor. Embracing DIY culture fosters a sense of pride, creativity, and individuality in the home environment. By considering these diverse aspects of home decor, homeowners can elevate their living spaces to reflect their personalities, values, and lifestyles while creating environments that promote well-being, sustainability, and innovation. In conclusion, home decor is more than just a matter of style, it is a powerful tool for cultivating environments that support our well-being and enrich our lives. By creating spaces of comfort and inspiration, we can transform our homes into havens of refuge and creativity. Whether through cozy textures, inspiring artworks, or meaningful mementos, the art of home decor invites us to infuse our living spaces with beauty, purpose, and personal significance. As we continue to evolve and adapt to the demands of modern living, let us remember the profound impact that our surroundings can have on our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. We hope you enjoyed these home decor ideas and found inspiration to transform your living space. Remember, the key to great design is to reflect your personality and create a space that truly feels like home. Until next time, happy decorating!